Good evening and welcome to the news. I'm Dinesh Rentle. Here are today's top stories. Voting for the second phase of the Gujarat Assembly elections to be held tomorrow. Elaborate arrangements in place to ensure free and fair polling. Former Assembly Speaker at Mondal, A.T. Mondal, joins NPP. The party to field Mondal from Pulbari in 2023 Assembly polls, announces Chief Minister and NPP Chief Conrad Sangma. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma inaugurates 100-bed maternal and child health hospital at Panalyar, says government to spend over 250 crore rupees for the revamp of health infrastructure. In FIFA World Cup football, defending champions France to face Poland today, England face Senegal. The news in detail. In Gujarat, polling for the second phase of the assembly elections will be held tomorrow. Voting will take place at 93 constituencies spread over 14 districts, including Ahmedabad, Vadodara and Gandhinagar between 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. A total of 833 contestants are in the fray, including 69 women candidates. The counting of votes for both the phases will be held on the 8th of December. The Election Commission has made all necessary arrangements to ensure peaceful elections. Over 26,000 polling booths have been set up in the poll-bound districts. Meanwhile, State Chief Electoral Officer P. Bharati has appealed the urban voters to vote in large numbers. Former Assembly Speaker and Congress leader Abu Tahir Mandal was named the NPP candidate for the Pulbari seat in the Assembly elections. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma, who is also the national president of the NPP, made the announcement during a function organized at the party office in Shillong to formally welcome Mandal to the party fold. He is replacing the party's sitting MLA SG Mathur Mominin. Sangma said the impact of Mandal joining the party will be felt not just in Pulbari but all adjoining constituencies.
All the dignitaries, I would like to also declare as the national president of the National People's Party that Shri A.T. Mondal will be the candidate of the National People's Party in the coming 2023 elections for the Pulbari constituency.
And our endeavor will be to ensure that we get maximum seats all over the state. But as I always say in every statement of mine, elections are not easy. You cannot predict and you cannot take things for granted. You have to work hard, you have to have a very strong mindset.
The state government will spend over 250 crore rupees for the facelift of medical infrastructure in Meghalaya, with 150 crore rupees alone earmarked for the construction of 300 sub-centers across the state. Announcing this after inaugurating the 100-bed maternal and child health hospital in Panalyar, Jawai on Saturday, Chief Minister Conrad Sangma reiterated the Meghalaya Democratic Alliance's commitment to providing to the people access to better healthcare facilities. During his visit, the Chief Minister also laid the base for the construction of the Integrated Development Complex at Latlabo, Jawai, in the presence of Urban Affairs Minister Sneha Bhalangdhar and Jawai MLA Wailad Mikishala.
Close to 250 crores has been spent on different infrastructural work in the health sector, including 150 crores which has been earmarked for construction of 300 sub-centers, 12.5 crores which has been earmarked for 10 integrated public health laboratories, different critical care blocks. 47 crores has been added for about 100 more beds with modern facilities in different parts of the state.
California headquartered 247.ai, a contact center services, has unveiled its new BPO facility at the Shillong Technology Park. Inaugurated by Chief Minister Conrad Sangma on Saturday, the 400-seater state-of-the-art BPO facility aims to create over 2,500 direct and indirect job opportunities for the local youth over the next 2 years. The Chief Minister in his speech hailed 247.ai for expanding its operations in Meghalaya by setting up a 400-seater world-class facility. Providing employment opportunities to the youth of Meghalaya is the need of the hour, and companies like 247.ai play a pivotal role in building Meghalaya as a global ITES hub, he said.
The overall, the outcome that we would get from investment in any industry in terms of the benefit for the state, I think is highest in tourism, and I think second highest would be IT for us, which means that the per rupee we spend on the tourism sector and the per rupee that we spend on IT, the returns for the state in terms of employment creation will be much higher in these sectors compared to any other sector. So therefore, these are probably the most productive sectors for us as a state government.
A long-awaited aspiration of the people of Western Rebhoy under Jirang constituency has now been fulfilled after the Chief Minister Conrad Sangma on Friday inaugurated Patharkhma Civil Subdivision, upgrading it from the administrative unit. The MLA of Jirang constituency, Sostin Sotun, MLA of Nongstoin, Macmillan Bursat, Jirang MDC Victor Rani and several government officials were present on the occasion. Sangma, in his inaugural speech, said that the inauguration of the civil subdivision would bring the administration closer to the public.
We take administration closer to the people. I'm sure all of you will remember those times where you would have to travel for hours, and that time the roads were not as good as it is today. How difficult it was. And that's the reason why this government has decided that we will take the governance closer to the people.
Jarain SC emerged champions of the Open to All Knockout Football Tournament 2022, which concluded yesterday. In the final, Jarain SC defeated PHE 11 via tiebreaker. At the shootout, Jarain SC scored 4 goals while PHE 11 could net only 3. The tournament was organized by the West Jaintia District Sports Association as part of its Golden Jubilee celebrations. The final was also witnessed by the working president of the Meghalaya State Olympic Association, John F. Karshieng, as the chief guest, among others. In the FIFA Football World Cup, defending champions France will face Poland at Al Tumama Stadium, Doha at 8:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time. In another match, England will take on Senegal at Al Bayt Stadium, Al Khor at 12:30 tonight. Last night, Argentina defeated Australia 2-1 in the knockout match to storm into the quarterfinals at the Ahmed bin Ali Stadium in Al Rayyan, Qatar. Lionel Messi scored the first goal for Argentina in the 35th minute, while Julian Alvarez doubled the lead in the second half. However, Australia's Enzo Fernandez reduced the lead by netting a goal in the 77th minute. And now for the weather. The maximum temperature was 20.1 degrees Celsius with the minimum temperature dropping to 9.5 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity in the morning was 22%, rising to 64% in the evening. The forecast tells us weather is most likely to remain dry. Our news bulletin is also available live on our YouTube channel, Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. In addition to watching on television, viewers can now visit the DD News Shillong YouTube channel to tune in to our daily bulletin. And for those who missed out, here's a quick recap of the top stories of today. Voting for the second phase of the Gujarat Assembly elections to be held tomorrow. Elaborate arrangements in place to ensure free and fair polling. Former Assembly Speaker A.T. Mondal joins NPP party to field Mondal from Pulbari in 2023 Assembly polls, announces Chief Minister and NPP Chief Conrad Sangma. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma inaugurates 100-bed maternal and child health hospital at Panalyar, says the government will spend over 250 crore rupees for the revamp of health infrastructure. The FIFA World Cup, defending champions France to face Poland today. England take on Senegal. That's all we have in today's news. Thank you for watching. We'll be back same time tomorrow. Have a good evening.